Welcome, Darlene here. I have a very short cooking video for you today. So let's get right to it. First off, I boiled a couple of Yukon Gold potatoes. I cooked them until the fork, they were pulled apart, done with the fork. And I cut up half of an onion, and then I put in 4 eggs and some white cheese and scrambled that all up with my fork. Oh, the onions, by the way, I softened them in the microwave so that they took that harshness out of them. Then with my potato smasher, I added a little bit of egg and I mashed up the potatoes in with everything else. The whole thing was mashed together, and once it was all combined, I put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes just to firm up the eggs appropriately. I have the hiccups. And then it was ready to eat, and it was yummy. Well, that was yummy. It didn't turn out exactly like I had in my mind, but how it did turn out was very good. I imagined it being more like an omelet or a frittata, whatever that is. But the way it turned out was good. If I had put it in the oven, put it in a pan and put it in the oven, sprinkled some cheese on top, it would have turned out more like what I had in my mind, but I didn't want to run the oven, so it is what it is, and it is quite good. So I hope you got into your kitchen today and made something yummy. May God's love and blessings infuse your being, and I will see you on my next video.